How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. We're back on the RMK, just enjoying every last little bit of riding that we can. So yeah, let's get to riding. Well, let's drop into here and see how soft it is. I'm really hoping this is all still soft. Oh, that might be fun. Oh, that was soft. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Little re-entry. Lame one. Oh, it looks very twiggy here. Ooh, that was rough. Oh, I caught my foot caught on my pants. That was not ideal. Oh, well, there goes those goggles. Wow. I didn't even notice that. I'll probably be able to replay that somewhere and see where they went flying. That is really crappy. I was gonna get new lenses for those. Oh well. I was kind of debating FXR heated ones. Shout out to FXR. Not sponsored, obviously. Way too little of followers. Maybe one day. Whew. Kind of got to keep on the beans there. Oh yeah. Wonder if over here is soft. Sad because the fields are actually kind of full and we're going to be losing that real soon. Not very soft, sadly. Let's see if we get a little more playing around in here. Oh, where did I come out of? Oh, maybe I'm just gonna stand up here pretty good. Not crazy good, but pretty good. This is gonna be deep. deep. I'm gonna have to keep the hammer down. Oh yeah, that was nice. Holy. That was hard. I'm almost sweating. This jacket's so warm now. Holy crap. Just destroying this area. Ooh, that was rough. I mean, I did chew here a bit. Pretty deep in here, actually. I just gotta keep some weight on this side all the time because of that damn garbage ski. Let's try to get turned around here. Want to hit that. That's gonna be nasty. Woo! Just tearing that up. Let's go. That's an arm pump and a half. Oh, I kind of obliterated this pretty damn good. I check the GoPro, make sure it's good here quick. I'm sweating. Holy. Alrighty, we'll keep ripping for a bit and see what we can get into. I love this new jacket so much. I know I've said it a couple times, but it feels so good. Yeah, maybe I'll do one more wheelie off this or something. Alrighty, just had to do a little battery change. Don't mind my gauge, I know there's fuel in this thing. Literally just put fuel in it before I left. Polaris fuel gauges are garbo. In the face. Oh, again! Oh, I hate that ski so much. Oh, I'm getting a new ski. If we don't lose all of our snow here when it gets warm, I'm getting a new ski. That is ridiculous. Stubble's pretty deep, to be honest. Oh, that is so annoying. Oh my god. That ski is just mangled. Alrighty, just had to let the GoPro warm up. Perks of trying to record in the winter. Nice little area here we got going on. It's like a ravine that runs all the way from town to town. It's really nice. Cruise around for a little bit longer. I gotta go to work tonight, so I don't want to ride too long. Go do some snow removal. That ski is really starting to piss me off. Oh, and we're back to my little spot that I do re-entries at. In the ghetto. I don't know why I have that song stuck in my head. Oh, that ski is just constantly digging. Like, look at that. That's what a normal ski does. It stays up on top of the snow. This ski does not. Oh, a lot of this is soft, holy crap. I wish it wasn't so overcasty. I can't see barely anything what's going on here. Oh. Oh yeah, nice. I'm bottomed right out. Beautiful. Pin and wiggle, boys, pin and wiggle. Whew, that's insane. Look at how hung up I am. Like, the steering component's good. That's ugly. Really wish I could see what was going on, but oh well. Yeah, I really wish I could see. You guys probably could see better than I can. That's just too sketchy. I will get a couple wheelies and give you guys a send off, I guess. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.